Hello my people, I go by name Bidi Baraka. As we talk, I am at Fulia. This is where my mother did his O level many years, 1981 to 1984. See, I want to show you the views around. So this is Fulia area. This is Fulia area. So beautiful places. This is the Machakos County. Very nice, very beautiful scenario. Let me turn on the camera. So nice. This is the area. So this is Julia. Sawa, naenda. So this is Julia. These are beautiful scenarios in Machakos County, Julia area. I'm so happy. The vlog continues. Twende. This video is brought for you by Pistel Tents and Deco. If you think about decoration or tents, think about Pistel Tents and Deco. We do birthdays, cooperative events, wedding, and all another events, church events, you see. Pistel Tents and Deco, we got you covered. Tuko pale Kitengela, tupigie namba ya simu ambayo iko pale chini kama utaweza kuhitaji huduma zetu. Pistel Tents and Deco, we got you covered. Asante sana na karibuni kwa huduma zetu. Masi-ke area village, and we are heading at Fulia, Twake, Musine village. So here there are many villages. There is Kitoni, Ikanga, Musine, and Fulia. So we are touring the area. We are going to Dowry ceremony. So I'm taking this covering to show you how the villages look like, or the roads look like. So this area is Machakos County, Mwala Sabu County, Fulia ward. See? So this is all about Masi. It's Masi, Fulia area. So now we are touring, see, and to show you the surroundings. And see how the way people live, way of life here. Machakos County, Mwala, Fulia. So have a look and let us tour together. Thank you so much. Asanteni sana. Many people here are farmers. They farm mangoes, maize, and exotic trees. Exotic breeds, like eucalyptus, things like that. They also do business. So these are small markets, you see. So the way of life here, farmers. So mango is mainly planted in this area. Oranges and many others, man. Climate is good. It's been raining. So the environment is conducive. So it's welcoming. So at this area, okay, think about decors. The decors, they are Vistel, tents and deco. Think about Vistel and deco. We got your kafari pale Kitengela, tunafanya kazi mzuri. Weza kupata huduma zetu na utapenda. So now we are heading to Twake. Twake is a big river, and that river many years ago, the sand. The people used to scoop the sand from the river, and you can say that's the river which made Nairobi, how Nairobi looks like today. So Nairobi was built from the sand, scooped from Twake River. So today at Machakos County, only that river which doesn't have sand. Why? Because it was scooped, it was pasted mainly to build Nairobi and Machakos town. So the river was affected because big neighbor to Machakos and Nairobi. You see, Nairobi at the river Mulolongo. So they scooped sand there, and it was normal. So you just get rocks there. And also the other river known as the river which is around Nairobi Mulolongo was also they migrated to there, and they also scooped up. This now is Fulia Market. This Fulia Market was founded in 1937. And you know, at Machakos County, we had only 2 girls' schools. In the early 70s, 1970s, this Fulia Girls, this is a very old school. At 1960s, 1970s, it was there with another at Kangundo known as Messianic Girls. So our parents who schooled at those time, 1980s, 1970s, and early 90s, schooled at Messianic Girls, Kangundo Girls, or Fulia Girls. So Machakos and Machakos Girls. So we went only to 4 girls' school, you know. So that market's old. I don't know why it's not growing. Maybe it's not growing because it's in India. It's not outskirts, you know, it's not in a good area. So it's in India. So that market is very old. In time of colonial period. So now we are at Vulia area, Vulia village, and Vulia ward. Masi Vulia ward. We are dropping down to Idanga River. Idanga River is a tributary to Twake River, and it's a freshwater river. You know now, and Twake River now is the river will be used to supply water at Konza Techno City. You know, Nairobi is growing, like Kenya is growing. We are building a techno city here in Africa, and mainly in Kenya. A very big city which has never happen, or it will be the big city in the whole world. So this Idanga River is supplying water to Twake River. Twake River is also attributable to Athi River. Athi River now brings water to Indian Ocean, you see. So now we are going to Idanga River. Idanga River supplying water to Twake River supplying. So we are building a very big dam along Twake River, whereby it will be supplying fresh water to the Konza Techno City, because it's a fresh water, you see. So now Machakos is growing, Kenya is growing. So this is Idanga River. This is Idanga River, a fresh water river. It's tributary to Twake River. So the Twake River will be supplying Konza Techno City with pure water. So we having a Techno City like Dubai here in Africa, Kenya, Machakos, Makueni County. People here, or the neighborhood, or the neighbors here mainly speak Kamba. They are Kamba people, and this land of it's a community land about Kamba. Is habitant of Kamba people, Machakos. You know, is a sub county known as Mwala. We have Biata, we have Kangundo, we have Machakos Town, we have Kadiani, we have Mavoko, we have Masinga, and we have Matungulu sub-county. Those are subdivided which made up Machakos County, you see. So many people are Kamba. Kamba people are the inhabitants of this area. They plant maize, plant mangoes, oranges, you know, and mainly Kambas are musicians and bardos. It's known as South, so we are diverting to go to the event now. See a cat, it's a cat being followed by the cows. So that's a mean of transport, you know. They are transporting sisals. Sisals are good for making boundaries. So I know they are going to demarcate. They are demarcation, you go to make boundaries. So, but the right time to plant sisal is when at the dry season, not when the rain season, because they store a lot of water, you know. So now we are heading to Majja-ke River. See? So now, ahead of us, I know when I was putting audio here, or when I was telling you more about the people here, I know you can see there were some mountains somewhere. Ahead of us, there were mountains or hills, whichever the case. Those mountains one is known as Japaluki, we have Fulia. So at Kangundo, you see all these hills ahead of us. We have one from the right known as Japaluki, and the other one is Kangundo, the other one is known as Tanzavi, and we have Fulia Mountains. Thank you so much. We arrived safely at Majja-ke River and the home where we can event as home, you know. So now we thank Almighty God for the mercies and nice journey, you know, obstacles we faced. So we are so grateful to Almighty God, and we say thank you. At this time, I want to thank all my fans from India. India now is leading, you know, watching my videos, followed by Kenya and USA and other parts. So the video was sponsored by Pistol, Tents and Deco. So if you think about Deco, think about Pistol. Thank you. Another vlog is coming. So the water here is going at 120 km per hour. 120 km per hour. This is Machakos County, County 016. Waterfall. See, the river now is doesn't have sand. So I'm about to stone the rocks. Why? Because the sand was harvested in Nairobi, Machakos, Mulongo, and that river. So there is no much sand here, and the water is going to Konza Techno City, a big dam which will be supplying the Konza Techno City. So the other one is going to the river which is pouring water at the Indian Ocean. So this is that area. Oh, this you see is the impact of scooping sand or harvesting of sand. See the stones and rocks. There is no sand. So when I get time, I'll take you to another river known as Mutasiano where you'll see sand all over. So this river was affected being neighbor of Nairobi County and Machakos town, Mulongo. You see, it's all about the rocks. There is no sand, but the other rivers around Machakos are rich in sand. You have a lot of sand, but here it was harvested, so it's all about the rocks, you know. So this is the impact or the effects of being Nairobi, the neighbor of the Hiri Nairobi. Para 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 para. Beautiful scenario, man. Scenario. Wakariba home. So these are Masi area, Machakos County. I was invited here for this water ceremony to raise it as one of transport manager and also as a singer, guest singer. And it's my time, but now I'm very much tired. I said, let me come and wash my face here. See? Enjoy the nature. I want to enjoy the nature. So it's the I have this one because I have allergic. I'm allergic to other soaps, so I normally use this one. So I want to wash my face and enjoy the nature. Isn't God given? God given. And these are area where my mom went to school. Pula Girls. I want to shoot the video there, but there were a lot of people, and also the time we were against the time was against us. So I went to rush. So I will pass there at the night, so I know I will not get that picture. Very nice, yeah. You see? This one is called Kadima. Kadima or Kedima or Hakawel. Well, a small well, yeah. See? Very nice, man. Hey. I wish someone to take me thumbnail. Nice. Very beautiful. See, there is a throughway there where water passes. This is God, good scenario. And you see the water. So the water, let me see what we have there. A big hole. So the water is coming down. The water is coming down. The water is coming somewhere down, underground. Beautiful scenario.